The Senate hearing on the supposed Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency leaks heat up as Senator Estrada took offense over the remark of dismissed PDEA agent Jonathan Morales that the senator is a convicted criminal. During the hearing, Estrada questions Morales' credibility to testify since he was facing a string of cases.
Your Honor, ay parang hindi naman po maganda yung sinasabi ni ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada patungkol sa akin. Para namang ako talagang hinuhusugahan. Ako'y may kaso pa lang at hindi pa napapatunayan sa hukuman. Hindi kagaya po ang ating butihing senador na-convict na po. Ay wag naman po.
Alam mo, Mr. Morales,
Senator Jinggoy, please.
huwag mong pakikalaman yung kaso ko. Problema ko yun. Yung kaso mo ang ayusin mo.
Estrada was acquitted of plunder but convicted of bribery in the pork barrel scam. Morales was dismissed from PDEA for dishonesty and misconduct.